Hello, I'm Nush Mokadam, and welcome to Food of Love with Chef Dad. My friends and family know I'm a passionate cook, and I find myself cooking all the time. My kids started calling me Chef Dad when they were little, and one year they made me this little apron. As a dad, one thing I will do in every episode is tell at least one dad joke. I'm often accused of using every pot in the house, but every now and again, I love making simple and delicious preparations. I'd very much appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, and share this with your friends. Let's get started. Today we're making Yucatán shrimp. This savory, limey, and spicy shrimp preparation is a wonderful appetizer. It honestly makes you feel like you're lying on the beach, having a bit of an al fresco nibble while sipping on a refreshing beer or a glass of crisp rosé. I think you'll find the ingredients interesting and sometimes surprising, but nonetheless, this is delicious. It's also relatively easy to make. The ingredients are relatively straightforward. 1 pound of shrimp, 2 tablespoons of butter or ghee, 1 small shallot finely minced, and I'll show you how to do that, 4 cloves of garlic crushed, 2 limes zested and juiced, 1 tablespoon of Sambal Oelek. I'm serious, Sambal Oelek. Salt and pepper, some cilantro, an avocado, and for those that want a little extra heat, always bring in a pepper. To finely chop a shallot, or an onion for that matter, you first cut off the root end. Toss that in your compost. Then you're going to cut it lengthwise in half, all the way down. And we're going to work with 1/2 at a time. First, remove the outer layer until you get to a fresh layer of shallot. That looks perfect. We're going to make a series of vertical cuts that are relatively fine. The finer you make this, the finer the overall cut will be, but you can also compensate for it on the next round of cutting. So now on the horizontal cuts, again, we're going to come through this really fine. And you can see what a nice, clean, small piece of shallot it makes. Why don't shrimp ever give to charity? It's because they're shellfish. So you're going to shell and devein your shrimp. You're going to leave the tail portion on. We're going to go over the pot. We're going to use a saucepan. We're going to put it on medium heat. We're going to add the butter or the ghee. We'll put in the shallots first. We're going to let them soften for a bit. Then we'll add the garlic for about a minute. We don't want it to burn. Then we add all the other ingredients except for the shrimp and make sure they combine well. Then we'll add the shrimp and we'll cook through for 2 to 3 minutes. You'll see it become a little bit tough, and that's where you want to stop. Then you toss the cilantro and take it off the heat. If you want to eat it while it's hot, now is a great time. This can also be made overnight and chilled for a cold appetizer if that's the way you want to go. When you get to serving it, you're probably going to want to use some crusty bread and serve with avocado slices. All right, let's plate this. I have a few slices of avocado, and I'm going to lay on top these beautiful shrimp. You can see they're covered in this lovely sauce. And then we're going to finish with the butter that you're going to put your toast in later. And for those that need a little extra heat, we'll sprinkle that on too. Should we give it a taste? I can smell the garlic. I can feel the heat from the peppers and the Sambal Oelek. My mouth's watering. It's incredible. Mmm. It's buttery, really vibrant lime flavor. It's a little bit spicy, but not too bad. It's kind of like a scampi and a ceviche crossed together. It's really, really good. Thank you for joining me. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications. Feel free to share with friends and family. We'll see you next time on Food of Love with Chef Dad.